Welcome to Beauty Kitchen. My name is พันธิราคงสุขดี
My name is สุริรัตน์เหลือถนอม
Today we are making ผัดกระเพราผัด is
Stir fry
and กระเพรา is
Thai basil
ผัดกระเพรา is one of the most popular foods in Thailand.
We love to eat it very much.
Ingredients 1 onion, 300 grams of minced pork, 10 Thai chilies, 6 cloves of garlic, 1 tablespoon of frying oil, 2 teaspoons of oyster sauce, 2 teaspoons of light soy sauce, 2 teaspoons of sugar, 1 handful of Thai basil leaves.
So here are the ingredients that we will be using today.
First of all, we have some onions, some minced pork,
And chilies
And the garlic.
and some
Thai basil,
yes.
and we have salt, sugar,
Last one is cucumber for decorate. We're going to start by cutting the chili. Not too big or too small. Like this.
some,
Yes.
and chopping the garlic.
Slicing cucumber for decorate.
We'll eat it with ผัดกะเพรา
And then slicing the onion.
Finally is
Thai basil.
we pick the leaves off.
So, all the ingredients are prepared.
And ready to go in the pan.
First, we add the oil. Second, we add the garlic and minced pork. Then, the chilies. Then the light soy sauce. Then the sugar. Then the onions. Then we add the oyster sauce. Last of all, grab a handful of Thai basil. Mix that in. Stir frying. To finish our กะเพรา
ไปดูกัน
Put the กะเพรา on the plate.
Here is our กะเพรา completed. Smell great.
Very great. We just gonna put that on top of rice. Okay. And the cucumber on the side. Here, it is ready to enjoy.
It tastes delicious.
Thank you so much. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.